Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I will show how you can insert SIM in a Huawei phone. So, regarding installing or putting the SIM card into the Huawei smartphone, no device is the same, or rather, actually there are some, but most of the device this process will be slightly different for. But the rule of thumb is that first you need to take the phone case off, like that. Then look along the edges of your device and find the SIM card tray that looks exactly like so, like the oval shape figure that has the little hole in it. Then take the injection tool that you should have, or if you don't, just use either the needle or the unfolded paper clip will do just fine. Just pretty much put anything that is small and long enough to fit, and open the SIM card tray. So push it all the way until until it doesn't go further, and then push slightly like that. Once the SIM card slot comes right off, take it out like that. Then over here, in my case, that's the SIM card tray that has the slot for 2 SIM cards, so dual SIM tray. So take your SIM card, should be Nano SIM card for the I don't know how many last years of Huawei phones. And then you have this little rounded corner at the tray and at the SIM card, so align them like so, or correspond them rather. Then we'll do the same for the second SIM card as well. And then simply put the SIM card tray back. While placing the SIM card slot back, you gotta look for aligning this little hole with the corresponding hole at the phone frame. So align those holes, and the SIM card tray should come right back. Here it is. And if I will unlock my device, it shows that 2 SIM cards have been inserted. So just give it a few seconds or up to a minute to wake up, to acknowledge those SIM cards, set them up, I don't know, just make them work. And that will be pretty much it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.